challenge most maintenance teams face isn't detection. It's the time between noticing something is wrong and getting the right people working on the right fix. Let me show you how Neptune transforms this process across 3 different personas: the field operator, the planner, and the technician. We'll start with our field operator, David, who works on the refinery floor. During his morning inspection rounds, he notices something on pump 104, an abnormal vibration. In the old world, a paper note, a call to the supervisor, maybe a SAP entry later that afternoon. The detail is thin and the context is lost. The AI assistant already has the full context for this asset: equipment number, functional location, maintenance history. David doesn't need to know any of that. He just describes what he's seeing. The AI agent asks the right questions in the right order: symptom, severity, whether the asset is still running, when it started, vibration near the drive shaft. You can hear it from around 2 meters away. It started about 45 minutes ago, and we've now turned the pump off. That's it. In under 60 seconds, a fully structured SAP notification is ready. Priority set, context captured, equipment record linked. In most plants, this is where the real work begins for the planner. Pulling SAP transactions, cross-referencing work order history, calling a senior technician. Easily an hour of investigation. But now the AI agent has already done it. The agent has reviewed the 3 previous faults on this exact pump, cross-referenced bearing failure patterns across the plant, and returned a ranked diagnosis. Mechanical seal degradation is the most likely root cause. Bearing wear is possible and should be checked during the repair. The parts are already confirmed in inventory, pulled live from SAP Materials Management. The labor estimate is based on historical completion times for this repair type on this asset class. Ethan reviews the full diagnosis. He's satisfied with the recommendation. He continues. Before fully approving, Ethan has the opportunity to make any amendments to the work order before confirming and posting to SAP. Finally, we'll switch to Sarah, a mechanical technician. She's received the job on her device. Everything she needs is already there: the work order, the fault description, the parts. The context David captured in the field. She didn't have to call anyone. The guided task list walks Sarah through each step in sequence. Safety isolation first, LOTO procedure for the pump, then the inspection steps, and the replacement if the seal is confirmed degraded. Each step must be confirmed before the next unlocks. No steps skipped. Consistent procedure every time, every technician. During the repair, Sarah checks what she needs to do before restarting the pump. The AI assistant gives her an answer in seconds directly from the asset documentation in the system. After starting up the pump, it seems to be overheating. Normally, that's a 20-minute search through a paper manual or a call back to the workshop. But Sarah can ask her AI assistant, who gives her detailed information, inspection steps, and corrective actions instantly. Sarah completes the repair and confirms in her app. SAP is updated the moment connectivity restores. No paperwork, no terminal, no lag between the work being done and the record being accurate. What you've just seen is the full cycle for a single maintenance event on a critical asset. All of it driven by AI agents running in the background, connected directly to SAP and critical equipment, powered by Neptune.